Hello everyone, I am Ritika Susgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of machine learning, we discuss about learning paradigms in machine learning. So we already discussed two techniques. The first is a unsupervised learning and the second one is a supervised learning. Okay. So in this video, we discuss about the third type of machine learning. The third type is a reinforcement learning. Okay. So let us discuss. So, the reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning methods where an intelligent agent, that is computer program, interact with the environment and learn to act within that. So, reinforcement learning is a feedback-based machine learning technique in which an agent learns to behave in an environment by performing the actions and seeing the result of actions. For each good action, the agent gets positive feedback, and for each bad action, the agent gets negative feedback or a penalty. So, in reinforcement learning, the agent learns automatically using the feedbacks without any label data, unlike supervised learning. So, there is no label data, and so the agent is bound to learn by its experience only. Okay, so reinforcement learning is the area of machine learning. So it is about taking the suitable actions to maximize reward in a particular situations. So it is employed by various software and machines to find the best possible behavior or path it should take in the specific situation. So, reinforcement learning differs from the supervised learning in a way that in supervised learning, the training data has the answer key. With it, it is to model the train with the correct answer itself. So, whereas in the reinforcement learning, there is no answer, but the reinforcement agent decide what to do, perform the given task. So, in the absence of training data set, it is bound to learn from its experiences. So this reinforcement learning is a core part of artificial intelligence and all the AI agents works on the concept of reinforcement learning. Okay, so if you are learning the artificial intelligence, so where we have some AI agents. Okay, so AI agents, environment. Okay, so there are different components are used in the artificial intelligence. Okay, so, so this reinforcement learning is a core part of artificial intelligence where we have some agents. Okay, so this intelligent agent interact with the environment and learn from it. Okay, so the core part of artificial intelligence and all the AI agents works on the concept of reinforcement learning. So here we do not need to pre-program the agent as it learns from its own experience. Okay, जो भी agent होता है artificial intelligence के अंदर उसके लिए हम कोई भी प्रोग्राम नहीं करते कि वो किस तरह से वर्क करेगा किस तरह से आउटपुट प्रोवाइड करेगा. तो जो एजेंट होता है वो प्रीवियस वाला जो एक्सपीरियंस होगा बेस्ड ऑन दैट प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस he learn the new things and produces some result. Okay, so here we do not need to pre-program the agent as it learns from its own experience without any human intervention. So this reinforcement learning solves the specific type of problem where the decision making is sequential and the goal is long term, such as game playing and robotics. Okay, so this reinforcement learning mostly used in the game in the game playing and robotics. Okay, so here in the reinforcement learning, the agent interact with the environment and explore it by itself. So the primary goal of an agent in the reinforcement learning is to improve the performance by getting the maximum positive rewards. Okay, based on these rewards, we get the result. So see here we have some example. So the problem is we have an agent and a reward. Okay, we have some agent and reward. So with many hurdles between. Okay, so we have agent and reward is this diamond. Okay, in between there are some hurdles. So the agent is supposed to find the best possible path to reach to this reward. So in this image, the robot, diamond and fire. We have robot, diamond and fire. Robot is our agent, diamond is our reward, and hurdles means what? Our fires. Okay, so the goal of the robot is what? To get the maximum reward, that is maximum diamond, and to avoid the hurdles. Okay, so as I said, the goal of agent is what? Improve the performance by getting the maximum rewards. Okay, so यहाँ पे एजेंट को क्या करना है? मैक्सिमम रिवॉर्ड्स गेट करने हैं एंड avoiding the hurdles. So the agent continue doing these three things. Okay, agent क्या करेगा? Take the action, change the state or remain in the same state and get the feedback. Okay, and by doing these actions, he learned and explore the environment. Okay, learn the exposure or the explores and the environment. So the agent learn that what the action lead to positive feedback or reward, what the action lead to the negative feedback penalty. So as a positive rewards getting, the agent get a positive point, and as a penalty it get a negative point. So the robot learn by trying all the possible paths and then choosing the path which gives him the reward with the least hurdles. Okay. So each right step will give the robot a reward and each wrong step will subtract the reward of the robot. So the total reward will calculate when it reaches the final reward, that is the diamond. Okay, so the main points in reinforcement learning is what? Input, output, training. Okay, so the input क्या करेगा? The input should be initial state from which the model will start. Output is what? There are many possible output, there are varieties of solutions to a particular problem. Training is what? The training is the based upon the input. The model will return a state and the user will decide to reward or punish the model based on its output. And the model keeps continue to learn and the best solution is decide based on the maximum reward. Okay. So this is the concept of reinforcement learning. Next is the reinforcement learning application. Okay, first is the robotics, business, manufacturing, finance sector, chemistry, game playing and control. So first we discussed application is the robotics. So reinforcement learning is used in the robot navigations, robot saucer, walking and juggling, etc. The next is the control. The reinforcement learning can be used for adaptive control such as factory processes, administration control in telecommunication, helicopter pilot is an example of a reinforcement learning. The third point is the game playing. Okay, so reinforcement learning can be used in the game playing such as tic-tac-toe game or chess. Okay, so this is also the example of reinforcement learning, game playing. The fourth one is the chemistry. Reinforcement learning can be used for the optimizing the chemical reactions. The next is the business. The reinforcement learning is now used for the business strategy planning. Next is the manufacturing. In various automobile manufacturing companies, the robots use the deep reinforcement learning to pick the good and put them in the some container. Okay, so this is the manufacturing. And the last one is the finance sector. The reinforcement learning is currently used in the finance sector for evaluating the trending strategies. Okay. So these are the different applications of reinforcement learning: robotics, control, game playing, chemistry, finance sector, manufacturing, and businesses. Okay. So next is the difference between reinforcement learning and supervised learning. Okay. So दोनों में क्या difference है? So the reinforcement learning works by interacting with the environment. Supervised learning works on the existing data set. Reinforcement learning algorithm works like the human brain work when making some decision. Supervised learning works as when the human learns things in the supervision of a guide. In the reinforcement learning, there is a no label dataset is present. In the supervised learning, there is a label dataset is present. In the reinforcement learning, the no previous training is provided to the learning agent. ओके लर्निंग के लिए कोई भी प्रीवियस ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड नहीं की जाती, वो जो उसका पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस होगा बेस्ड ऑन दैट वो क्या करेगा, थिंग को लर्न करेगा. ओके बट इन द सुपरवाइज लर्निंग ट्रेनिंग इज प्रोवाइडेड टू द algorithm so that it can predict the output. The next is the reinforcement learning helps to take the decisions sequentially, and in the supervised learning decisions are made when the input is given. Okay, so this is the difference between reinforcement learning and supervised learning. Thank you.